Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have a package of some sort, and I can't show you the listing right now because the computer is dead, so I can't show you that. But one thing is that this is a parts lot of 8 iPhones. It's a cheap one for $80. I've covered up the information so you can't try and find me. So let's just get started in unboxing the package. Taped it really well. This beat up box. Wow. Oops. Let's try and just slice it. Oops, my keyboard hit my trash can. Yes, my keyboard's on my floor. Let me just cut the sides. I'm not very good with at unboxing stuff that has, this box is really beat up, and it's usually harder to open that way. So I'll just open it. I think it should be good now. Let's see how the phones were packaged. Wasn't really opened properly. All right, that's better. All right, looks pretty good. Let's take off the paper. And it's a smaller box inside. Wow. All right, let's put this paper aside. And unbox the box that was inside a box. So let me just lower my knife here. Yeah, I'm wearing this. Yeah, I don't know why. I feel cold, so, there's nothing else warmer in my room for some reason. All right, I'm cutting it into the tape. All right, here are the phones and a bunch of cardboard. Wow, this person really went to package these. Can feel the phones in here. All right. So I know that there were supposed to be 3 iPhone 5 in here. 3 iPhone 5s. All right. Oh, the first piece comes off. Let's unravel the other part. Get the paper. All right, we have iPhone 4s. This one is cracked. We have a black iPhone 5. I recognize this from the picture. Yes. And we have a white and silver iPhone 5. That's the only white and silver one. And this almost really mint condition iPhone 5. Really good condition. And we have another iPhone 4. So, let the camera focus. Let's get unpackaging the other phones. All right. You see that? We have, wait, is this, okay, this is a 4S. This is an iPhone 4 with the antenna on the top. This is a 4S. Yeah, it's a 4S. So this person didn't know what he had and said iPhone 4. It's actually 4S. Next is an iPhone 4 black. Next is the last iPhone. So I thought this was a screen protector, but no, it's an actual screen. Wow. So no more phones. That's it. This one is the one that intrigued me to buy the lot. So let me just show these. So we get started in trying to power these up, and I'm not gonna clean them yet. So let's plug in this iPhone 4. Low battery symbol, looks to be iOS 7. Let me unplug my other chargers from my iMac so I can plug them into the power bank. This one, I'm just gonna unplug the lightning connector and plug this 30-pin charger in. So next, iPhone 4. Wait, is this iPhone 4? No, it's a 4S. This is coming up with the battery charge symbol. Alright, I'm just going to use that power from my iMac to plug these phones in. I'm going to have to turn the iMac around a little bit. Can plug these in. Oh, this one's actually turning on. And there is a battery in this one. And it just went flat, so I'll let the other phones charge on my iMac area. I'm gonna just clean this iPhone 4 with some alcohol and a paper towel. And I'll finish it off with a microfiber cloth. Clean up the sides and clean up the back. So now the phone is clean. I can just plug it in, and the 4S still charging. Next, I'll keep this phone here. I'll keep the 4S plugged in on my iMac so I can plug in more phones. But let's see if any of them come up with the charge symbol. This one's completely dead. So I'm actually getting more 4Ss than I wanted. Let's test out the iPhones. First we have an iPhone 5, silver. It's in really good condition. Dead. Let's get the other charger. This one's not even showing any power. Let's try the other one. I don't have enough lightning connectors. Oh, this one has a cracked LCD. You can see it's lighting up. So that one, let's just keep trying this one. I'm not going to open up any phones. Let's check out the black iPhone 4. Still charging. Let's sanitize some of these phones. My microfiber cloth. And also, if you're wondering why I'm recording on a Thursday, I don't know, my package just arrived, so I thought I'd record now. So I won't be posting this Saturday, but hopefully one day I will. Oh, no wonder why my iPhone 5, this one wasn't turning on, wasn't plugged in. Let's see if it will show life. Alright, plug in this cable into my iMac. Plugged in. Keep the 4S plugged in. Let's test the other iPhone 4. So I'll unplug this one and plug this one in. Get the battery flat symbol. Just gonna clean this up. And in general, these phones are clean on the outside, but you know, you don't know who use these phones. So this one shows up with battery charge. Just keep this one plugged in. Let's check if the other phones have powered up. All right. This white iPhone 5 is still charging. So I guess I'll open one of these up. I did say I wouldn't open any up, but I just got it, you know? So, getting my iFixit toolkit out, I'll leave this in the description below. Really good toolkit. Sorry about that. Pentalope. Let's unscrew the bottom screws. These ones are significantly shorter than the CDMA iPhone 4s. Let's slide the back up. And it's pretty clean, so this one will be able to turn on normally with just a simple charge. This one's having a little trouble sliding back. All right, slide it back on. I will be able to screw the bottom screws in. These two iPhones are still charging, so let's open up this one, I guess. Sorry, I have a runny nose today. You know, allergies, spring over here in Massachusetts. Oops, screw. This iPhone 4S is still charging. Slide this back up. Oh, I'm cracking it even more. Alright, this one's a little dirty, but this battery looks to be in good shape. I'm just looking for batteries and if they're in good condition. Wow. Now, these backs are strong. I really gotta, slide them back in there. The iPhones are still charging. Surprised how long it took to charge these guys. This back is really, really doesn't like this phone, Once it gets taken off. Anyways, let's give this phone a dust out. The iPhone 5s are still charging. This iPhone 5 here is still charging. Oh, the back's somewhat on. All right, this back is on, and we can screw in 2 pentalope screws on the bottom. I hate spring allergies. That's why I like summer and, fall better. Less pollen, less annoyance. Oops. just have to align the screw. All right, now that that's screwed in, these iPhones are still charging. This iPhone is still charging, so I'll unplug those and I'll plug this one in. A lot of these iPhones are stone dead. I'll put the pink one in another spot. Just gotta see if some of these power up. Alright, this black one here is completely dead. It's the same thing that happened back in February 2020. The goodest condition black iPhone 5 doesn't turn on. That's weird. I haven't actually cleaned this phone yet, so I'll just plug in the other phone for a bit. So just cleaning it off. Can get a good iPhone 4S clean. So no CDMA models in here. I'll plug in another phone. No, I don't have all the chargers in the world. Let's clean up some of these iPhone 5s. Alright, unplug this phone real quick. Alright, this phone is now clean. See if that makes any charging noises. I can see this one is definitely iOS 7 to 10. I think it's iOS 10 since, you know, these phones are pretty old. My dad still uses the iPhone 5. It can't install most apps, but, you know, it can call, can text, you know, do the basic stuff, even though the phone isn't supported on most apps anymore. iPhone 4s are still charging. So I guess I'll just end the video here as an unboxing, and I'll leave the screwdriver kit in the link below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.